Hello to all of the Year 2 children and your families too. All of the Year 2 teachers are missing you so much, but we do hope that you're enjoying your time at home with your families and that you're staying safe and well. I am here today to go through some math methods with you, which should hopefully look quite familiar because you've probably done them with your teacher in class this year. I thought I'd start with an easy one, subtracting ones. So let's get started. We're going to be subtracting ones with a number line, so it's going to be useful if you have a ruler at the ready. I'm going to show you in a couple of examples first. So let's start with 18, take away 6. So we're taking away 6 ones from 18. The first step that we need to do when we're subtracting is use a ruler. And when we say the word subtracting, we just mean take away. So I'm using a ruler to draw a straight line. The next step that I need to do is find the biggest number in that number sentence. And I'm going to pop it at the end of the number line, not at the beginning, at the end. So I'm going to get 18 and pop it at the end there. The next thing I need to do is work out how many jumps that I need. We're taking away 6, which means we need 6 jumps. And I'm going to pop them in next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I've got my 6 jumps there ready to go. We are taking 6 jumps of 1 because we've got 6, which is 6 ones. So I'm going to take away 1 on the top of my first jump, which is next to 18. And that means I need to do 18 take away 1. 18 take away 1 is 17. 17 take away 1 is 16. 16 take away 1 is 15. 15 take away 1 is 14. 14 take away 1 is 13, and 13 take away 1 is 12. So my answer should be 12 because that's the last number underneath our last jump. If you look at the number line too, you'll see that I've done quite big jumps so that all my numbers, when I'm writing them in, are not squeezed together because that can confuse us a lot. So 12 is my answer. I'm going to double check that by putting the number 18 in my head, biggest number in my head, and I'm taking away 6, so I'm going to count backwards in ones. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. 12 is my answer. It's always useful to double check your answers once you've done, just in case you make any mistakes. So 12 is the correct answer. If you struggle with taking ones, it might be useful if you've not got one to print, or you could even make your own number square. That way you can find the number 18 on your number square and you can go back 1 each time to 17, 16, 15, 14, 13 and 12. That can help you alongside your number line. I don't need that today, so I'm going to pop it down on the floor now. Let's do another one. I think we can do some bigger numbers. So let's try the big number 27. And I'm going to take another big number. I'm going to take 9 away from 27 today. And I've got my equal sign. So we've got our number sentence there. Next step, using a ruler to draw your nice straight number line. After that, we're going to find the biggest number in the number sentence, which is number 27, and we're going to pop that at the end of the number line. Then we need to work out how many jumps that we need to do. We're taking away 9 today, which means we need 9 jumps of 1. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As you can see, I've tried to get my jumps kind of the same size as best I can. And that way, when I'm writing my numbers underneath, they're not going to be squashed together and I won't get confused. So I've got my big number 27, I've got my 9 jumps. I'm now taking 9 ones, so I need to put take away 1 on the top of each jump. 27 take away 1 is 26. 26 take away 1 is 25. 25 take away 1 is 24. 24 take away 1 is 23. 23 take away 1 is 22. 22 take away 1 is 21. 21 take away 1 is 20. 20 take 1 is 19. And 19 take 1 is 18. So that's the end of my number line, end of the last jumps. So 18 must be my answer then. I'm going to pop it next to the equal sign. And I'm going to double check it by putting the big number 27 in my head and counting back 9, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18 is my answer. So they are my 2 examples. I've done my jumps first after I've drawn my number line. I've got take away 1 on the top of each of my jumps, and that reminds me how many I need to take each time. I wonder now whether you could do some of your own. So I'm going to rub my examples out and I'm going to write some for you to do at home with your families. And I might try some bigger numbers this time as well. We'll start with some small ones. I'll start easy, I'll be nice. So we'll do 11 take away 7. We will do 22 take away 4. We will do 16 take away 9. We will do 32 take away 6. Let's do 29 take away 5. And let's do 47 take away 3. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions for you to have a go at home. I'm going to pause this video now and I want you to pause it too. Have a go at doing your number lines and then press play and I will go through the answers with you. Okay, time to check our answers. So let's start with 11 take away 7. I'm going to start by drawing my straight number line. The second thing I need to do is look for the biggest number in my number sentence, which is 11. Next step is to do my jumps. I'm taking 7 away, which means I need 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm taking 7 jumps of 1, which means that I need to do take away 1 at the top of my jump. 11 take away 1 is 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. 9 take away 1 is 8. 8 take away 1 is 7. 7 take away 1 is 6. 6 take away 1 is 5. And 5 take away 1 is 4. So my answer then must be 4. I'm going to double check that by putting 11 in my head and counting back 7, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 is my answer. Let's have a go at 22 take 4 now. Take away 4. I start by drawing my number line, finding my big number, which is 22. I'm doing 4 jumps of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to do 22 take 1, which is 21. 21 take 1, which is 20. 20 take 1, which is 19. And 19 take 1, which is 18. So 18 must be my answer. I'm going to double check that by putting the big number 22 in my head and taking away 4, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18 is my answer. Did you get 18? I hope so. Let's try 16 take away 9 now. 16 take away 9. Number line is my first step. Finding the biggest number and popping that at the end of my number line is my next step. In this case, it's 16. Then I'm taking away 9, which means I need 9 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, my number line isn't quite long enough for that one. There we go. So 16 take away 1 is 15. 15 take away 1 is 14. 14 take away 1 is 13. 13 take away 1 is 12. 12 take away 1 is 11. 11 take away 1 is 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. 9 take away 1 is 8. And 8 take away 1 is 7. So my answer then must be 7. I'm going to double check that by putting 16 in my head and counting back 9. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 and 7 is the correct answer. So let's rub that one out. And let's go on to our next one, which is 32. Take away 6. That was a harder one with a bigger number, wasn't it? First step is doing our straight number line. I'm going to do it a bit longer this time, just in case I run out of space. Next step is putting our big number 32 at the end of that number line. I'm doing 6 jumps of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm putting take 1 at the top of that jump. 32 take 1 is 31. 31 take 1 is 30. 30 take 1 is 29. 29 take 1 is 28. 28 take 1 is 27. And 27 take away 1 is 26. So I'm going to pop that next to my equal sign in my number sentence, and I'm going to double check it by counting back. 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26 is the correct answer. Next up was 29 take away 5. Number sentence, 29 take away 5. First step, straight number line. Next step, finding that bigger number, 29, popping it at the end of my number line. I'm taking 5 ones away, which means I need 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm taking away 1. 29 take 1 is 28. 28 take 1 is 27. 27 take 1 is 26. 26 take 1 is 25. And 25 take away 1 is 24. So 24 will be my answer. Again, I'm double checking this. I'm sure you know what I'm going to do by now. I'm going to put the 29 biggest number in my head and counting back 5, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25 and 24 is the correct answer. So let's move on to the last one, which is 47 take away 3. 47 take away 3 equals. First step is drawing our number line. I'm sure you all know this by now. Next step is finding that bigger number and popping that at the end of your number line. This one is 47. This is quite an easy one. We've only got 3 jumps to take. 1, 2, 3. Take away 1 at the top of my jump. 47 take away 1 is 46. 46 take away 1 is 45. And 45 take away 1 is 44. So 44 must be my answer. I'm going to double check it by putting 47, big number in my head, and I'm going to count back 3. 47, 46, 45 and 44 is my answer. I wonder how many you got right out of those 6 questions.